Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel of SaaS. Today we are going to discuss one of the emerging website builder named SITE123. And we will see how we can create a website using SITE123 including its review. By the way, I hope all of you know about the free website builders like WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, and you must have created website on these. Similar to these, SITE123 is an emerging website building platform with its headquarters in Israel. Using this website builder, you can create a SEO optimized and mobile friendly website. It not only helps people to create a well optimized website, but also assists them in setting up a free blog, online store, online portfolio, and more. If you want to know how to build a website with SITE123, then keep watching this video till the end. When starting to build your own website, first you have to sign up on SITE123. Go to login and click on sign up. You have to select the type of website you want to create from all these. For now, I am taking the blog. Enter your blog name here. Then enter your name, email and password to sign up on this site. Once you hit the enter, your website is now ready to be created. This is the website that has been automatically created by SITE123. Now you can customize it as per your choice. However, this website already looks awesome. You can see the preview of this created website in the desktop, tab and monitor form. Okay, now let's start with its customization. First, I will customize the home page. Once you click on the home page, three sections will appear: text, background and templates. In the text section, you can edit the title and subtitle of your website. In the background, you can change the background image. You can also import images and videos for background by clicking here. While in the template section, you can change template of your blogs. As you can see, there are three pages: home, blog and contact us. You can edit and customize all these pages from this section. If you want to add a new page to your site, then add that by clicking here. In the design tab, you can edit the website name, logo, styles, fonts, headers, footers and many more. In the settings, you can add website type, language and time zone. If you want to add plugin to your website, then you have to take a premium subscription. Also, as we have seen that there is no need for any designing or coding skills to design a website on SITE123. It's amazing to have a website builder like this, because using this, anyone can create a stunning website just in half an hour. It was all about building free website using SITE123. If you take a premium subscription, then you can customize your site URL, footer credit and some more features which are not available in free plan. Now I will let you know the pricing plans of SITE123. There are two pricing plans offered by SITE123. One is free and another one is premium. And no doubt there will be some more features in the premium plan as compared to the free one. But there is also an additional perk of this website builder. SITE123 also offers an affiliate program to the interested peoples. And you can earn up to $182 for each successful transaction from your referral link. You can join the affiliate program of SITE123 simply from here. Once your account gets activated as an affiliate, you will get an affiliate link of SITE123. So guys, that's all about SITE123 website builder. According to me, it's quite easy to create a website using this website builder, and there is no need for any coding and designing skills to create a website. If you want to create a website right now, then click on the link given in the description below. And if you face any issue while creating a website on SITE123, you can reach me in the comments below. Before leaving, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to check the reviews of other softwares. Bye bye guys, see you soon in the next video.